Proof of understanding. I use human system science to create a knowledge base on how learners sense and receive information. This is why I ask learners to study brain, body, and sense systems to help them prepare for the experience of self. The learner must come to understand the choices they make to move through social contact and decisions they make to interact through feelings of emotion or thought to cooperate. This approach leads to self-analysis of how he or she cooperates, which then traverses to a sense of feel for how well they participate in sense and receive path functions. Hence, I assess the performances of brain, body, and sense messaging using social and academic learning principles, such as 1. Reading, 2. Writing, 3. Acting, 4. Drawing, 5. Performing, 6. Talking.
Welcome to the Brains Body Podcast, hosted by human systems scientist, Dr. Christopher K. Slaton, discussing brain, body, and sense messaging. Brain talk, how you talk to the brain and not the body makes a difference in the way your child or significant other will sense and receive your information. Sense and receive path processing is the cognitive goal of establishing mental health. Knowing what it feels like to cooperate in brain, body, and sense messaging is essentially the neurophysics of self-transformation within the flow of contact and interaction. Understanding the following challenges. How you sense and receive talk. How spoken words affect the sense path. How interaction through spoken words affects the receive path. How your body reacts to spoken words. How your brain responds to spoken words. In human systems science, understanding self as an information processor is a practical approach to the study of brain, body, and sense messaging adjacent to how you live, learn, think, and respond through your inner voice. Which is why How the Brain Talks Back is what defines the subject matter of Brain Talk, Learning the Brain's Body with Dr. Slaton Live. Are you thinking about how you use talk? How do you talk to yourself? How do you talk to others? How do you talk at home, school, in your neighborhood, or workplace environments? Brain talk is real talk. You talk to the brain because you expect a thoughtful response that treats your contact and interaction with respect. In each step, you are assessing how the brain sends forward feed, how the body transfers backward feed, how the senses connect forward and backward feed through neurotransmitters for self-analysis.
Stay tuned.